Every time a neuro trial fails, and we've had a lot of them lately, the industry does the same thing. We blame the biology. And look, sometimes that's completely fair. The CNS space is genuinely hard. Targets don't always translate from animal models. Disease heterogeneity is real, patient selection is brutal. I'm not here to pretend otherwise. I've spent years working inside these trials, specifically looking at the imaging data. And the pattern I keep seeing doesn't fit a clean biology story. Because biology failures tend to be consistent. The drug didn't work? Fine. You see that across sites, across cohorts. What I see instead is noise, inconsistency, variability that shouldn't be there if everything was running the way the protocol said it was. But here what bothers me. Sites acquiring images on different scanner sequences because nobody caught the drift until month 14. Central reads that weren't actually central. Different reviewers, different interpretations, all on the same scan. Inclusion criteria met on paper, but the baseline imaging tells a different story. These are patients who probably shouldn't have been even enrolled. Protocol deviations flagged in monitoring reports that never made it into a conversation where someone could actually act on them. And here's the thing, none of this shows up in the press release. The press release says, did not meet primary endpoint. It doesn't say we had 17 sites running subtly different acquisition protocols and we only found out during the final data log, months later. So when I sit in these postmortems and someone puts the slide that says the target hypothesis was wrong, I want to ask, are we sure? Are we sure we gave the biology a fair test? Or did we hand it a flawed instrument, run it across 30 inconsistent sites, and then act surprised when the signal didn't hold? Because those are two very different problems and they have two very different solutions. We've gotten very good at explaining failure after the fact. I think we need to get a lot better at recognizing what kind of failure we're actually looking at. Because right now, I'm not sure we always know.